welcome back. In this class we are going to learn traversing a tuple. Let us directly learn from the Python IDLE. Let us consider this tuple VOW, which is having all the vowels. Now if we want to traverse from left to right, that is A to U, we will be writing a for loop. For I in, we can directly give the tuple there VOW. Now every time for loop runs, I becomes an element of the tuple. So first time it runs, I is equal to A, second time E, like that it will be continuing until U. When there is no element there, it stops. Let us just print this. If we run this, A, E, I, O, U, one below other will be displayed. This can also be done using the range function. When we use range function, I becomes 0 to the 1 before the stop. So range len of VOW we can give. So that automatically takes the length. Length will be 1 plus than the last index. So automatically it will be stopping at last index, that is use index. Now when we want to print this, I is the integer there. So we will write VOW in the square bracket I, so that it takes that particular index value. So this also will give the same result. If we want to traverse from right to left, that is UOIEA like that, then we shall give here, it should be starting from the index -1, which is rightmost, and then it should be stopping at minus the length. So if we give minus len of, it will not take A, it will stop at E. So we subtract one more from that, it goes up to A. Then the step is must because it is traversing from right to left. So here -1. Now this will be running from right to left. Same thing also can be used using the while loop. For that we need to create, I say index ind is equal to 0. Here we will write while loop while ind is lesser than len of VOW. Now here instead of ind I have given, so I change this, and then every time we need to increase the index. It will not automatically increase as in the for loop. We will increment this ind plus equal to 1. So this is from left to right. In case we need from right to left, we shall give here -1. We shall make this greater than or equal to minus len of VOW, and then here we will be decrementing as it is from right to left. So I give minus here. So this will traverse from right to left. If you need to put it in the same line, we can give end equal to, and then in the quote 1 comma there, and then even a space. Now it will be printing in the same line. Hope it was very clear to you all. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.